The ClearStream 4 antenna from Antennas Direct has a range of up to 65 miles, giving you the ability to receive a multitude of free, high-definition local broadcast networks with expanded programming. The ClearStream 4 can be installed in your attic or on the roof and comes with everything you see here. Today, we will focus on exterior installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, a power drill with a 3/16 drill bit, ratcheting drivers sized 8 and 10 millimeters, and some coaxial cable, available at antennasdirect.com. First, position the loop elements so that the Antennas Direct logo on each is in the same orientation. Then, turn the loop elements over. Attach the combiner bars to each terminal on the back of each loop element using the supplied wing nuts. Next, for each loop element, fit the circular base to the reflector and align the hole in the base to the hole in the reflector support. Then, attach the two bars to each reflector by removing the back clamp, and then thread the screw through the holes in the top and bottom in the reflector's aluminum bar. Reattach the clamp and finish the assembly with a wing nut. Thread the supplied bolt through the reflector's aluminum bar and pass it through the hole in the base. Now it's time to assemble the J-mount mast. Attach the J-mount mast to the mount base using the hex bolts and nuts. Before installing the antenna outdoors, it is important to test the antenna in a location that offers the clearest possible view in the direction of the broadcast towers, avoiding placement around tall trees and buildings. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to your antenna and the other end to your television. Visit antennapoint.com and enter your zip code. You will find a list of stations, distance, and a precise compass heading. If you don't have a compass, simply download a free app from your preferred app store to your smartphone. Position the antenna so that it's facing the broadcast towers. Then, on your television, make sure that your input is set to antenna or air, and then scan for channels. If you are not receiving signals for the available channels, you may need to reposition your antenna and rescan. Mark the mast base position on your desired surface. Then, drill a 1.5-inch deep hole with a 3/16 drill bit for each mounting bolt. Next, place ceiling pads over each drill hole. Push an indentation into each of the ceiling pads so that you can see where you drilled the holes. Then, place the base on top of the ceiling pads and use a ratchet or drill to tighten the bolts. Before installing your antenna, make sure the mast is adjusted so that it's vertical. Slide the antenna over the top of the mast and tighten loosely into place. Place the mount base end cap onto the J-mount mast. Turn your antenna in the direction which resulted in the most channels during your test scan. It is important to rescan your TV for the available channels once the antenna is installed. And that's it! You are now ready to receive free over-the-air television with unsurpassed quality compared to cable or satellite. If you have any questions, please call our helpline at 1-877-825-5572 and we will be happy to assist you.